That sounds a little scary.
Well, it's not you, Terry, to haven't seen you at the gym for the past week. I've been every day.
You go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Rồi mauไหมเริ่มได้ไหม
เก็บอันเนี้ยเนี่ย
ไม่เป็นไร exercise ดี
I'm not hearing that. Okay. Oh my god.
I told you.
Wait, after those stairs were there?
Oh my gosh, there's
No,
so many.
there's another one. And that's the second to the last. No, it's okay. Come on. Oh my god. Oh! Prem! Slowly na kap. Oh. Prem! Slowly ni di. Slow na. May ร็วYeah! Prem! Wait, be careful here. Oh my god. Prem!
There are blue caves down there.
Really? Where?
About 3 kilometers from here.
Is Ben okay? Are they okay down there?
Prem! Oh my god, the must see.
Just enjoying the view. Oh my god. Guys, this is crazy. This
Yeah,
is crazy.
but it's all worth it.
Of course.
I'm just taking a break.
Okay.
I'm just saying. But it is what.
Prem, slow na.
Yeah, he's big. Oh my gosh, those stairs are like. They are like monkeys. How's that gonna work?
Oh no.
Feels so exhausted. Yeah, Ben needs to go to the.
Oh my god.
Jay, and then after this
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the last one.
เจนี่ใช่ไหมที่แกไปหาวิวใช่ไหม
Okay.
Let's
ใช่
go.
ไหม
Let's
ใช่
จำเชื่อดีใช่ไหม
ใช่
เอาไม่แพ้เย้
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
It's high.
Oh, like,
almost there.
No, I don't want to know how high it is.
it's okay, you're almost there.
Are you scared of heights?
Oh my god
Lazy,
Ui.
lazy.
Hải màu lo màu vàng vào địa với nhà phật đó.
Ladies and
Yeah,
gentlemen,
Ethan.
here is the Queen of England, Elizabeth. Yeah. We have the Queen.
Oh, Prem, slow tayo. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Are you sleeping?
Video.
Oh my gosh. is crazy.
แล้วจะลงจะไรให้หนอ
Yeah.
You need help?
Oi, Fram, picture.
Yeah. What's up?
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow. Yeah.
Yeah,
There's
after.
the road down, but it's very long.
Probably.
I want to sleep.
We're almost there.
Okay, good.
10 steps.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not a good heights person, so this was.
How did you fly to Thailand?
No,
then?
I closed my eyes. It's all over.
I always have a beard.
Yeah.
I don't like heights too.
No.
But I enjoyed the Twin Towers in Malaysia. Ooh.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, no, that is.
It's so high.
That is insane.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Japan!
Oh my gosh.
Cup!
Almost there.
Almost there. Almost there.
Made it.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah. Hurry up!
Yay! Okay.
Yeah.
Yo.
Okay. Inhale, exhale. Oh.
I was feeling sleepy away. So I need to look this way.
You're glowing.
Really? Everyone is ready, right?
Everyone is so tired.